TradeView TraderPro. How to use the option chain. Software tutorial.
This video tutorial will discuss using the option chain. To open an option chain, go to File, New, Option Chain. Next, type in the base symbol of underlying futures contract. The expiration month selected will determine the related option expirations. For example, if I want to see crude oil options, type in the base symbol GCL and a list of near-month contracts will appear. If I select the month code F, or January, I will see options expiring in December. If I select the month code G, or February, I will see options expiring in late December to January. To see options beyond January, I'll need to use a later futures symbol. Refer to the month code table. Calls will display on the left side, and puts will display on the right. In the money options, we'll have a yellow shading, and out of the money options, we'll have a white background. The strike will appear in the center. To increase the numbers of strikes visible, increase the number of strikes option, or use the range option all. To reduce the amounts of strikes visible, simply reduce the number. The chain will display bid, ask, last prices, the last value or option premium, total volume traded in the current session, and the open interest. To display the Greeks, check the box in the upper right corner. Placing orders. To place a trade, right-click on the desired call or put and select Buy or Sell. An order ticket window will appear. Refer to the standard order ticket video for more details.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.